Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Santander current account. This tutorial will walk you through the process of opening and managing a current account with Santander. Firstly, it is essential to understand what a current account is. A current account is a type of bank account that allows you to manage your daily finances. It enables you to deposit and withdraw money, set up direct debits and standing orders, and make payments. To open a Santander current account, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria. This typically includes being over 18 years old, being a UK resident, and having a regular income. Step 1. Choose the right account for you. Santander offers a range of current accounts, each with its own features and benefits. You can compare the different accounts on the Santander website or in a branch. Step 2. Gather the necessary documents. You will need to provide proof of identity and address. This can include a passport, driving license, and utility bill. Step 3. Apply for the account. You can do this online, in a branch, or over the phone. You will need to provide your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and address. Step 4. Verify your identity. Santander will need to verify your identity. This is a security measure to protect your account from fraud. You may be asked to provide additional documentation or attend a branch in person. Step 5. Set up your account. Once your account is open, you will need to set up your debit card, online banking, and mobile banking. This will enable you to manage your account and make payments. Step 6. Manage your account. You can manage your account online, in a branch, or over the phone. You can check your balance, view transactions, and set up direct debits and standing orders. Best practice is to regularly review your account to ensure it continues to meet your needs. You can also take advantage of additional services, such as overdrafts and savings accounts. In conclusion, opening and managing a Santander current account is a straightforward process. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can make the most of your account and manage your finances effectively.